How to Make Japanese Ramen, your step-by-step guide to making Japanese ramen by HowExpert. If you want to learn how to prepare and cook Japanese ramen, then check out this How to Make Japanese Ramen guide. In this step-by-step guide, you will learn the following: how to make ramen broth, how to make chicken broth, how to make pork broth, how to make miso ramen, how to make shoyu ramen, how to make tonkatsu ramen, how to make vegetable ramen. Plus, get useful tips on how to prepare vegetables. Be guided in a step-by-step way in preparing the base and toppings. And much more. Table of Contents. Chapter 1. How to make ramen broth. Chapter 2. How to prepare toppings. Chapter 3. How to make nabuta, simmered pork. Chapter 4. How to make the ramen. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z by everyday experts. Visit HowExpert.com to learn more.